遠藤周作の沈黙をアカデミー賞監督が完全映画化。
Ferreira is lost to us. He denounced God.
That's not possible. Father Ferreira risked his life to spread our faith all over Japan.
We must go find Father Ferreira.
But when I read the book, I knew that I had to make this film, but I didn't know how to. Because I think Mr. Endo was able to deal with these issues much better and much sooner than I could. And so it took many years before I was able to write the script.
That's the genius of this film, is that everyone's right and everyone's wrong. There's no way. There's no one answer, there's no one way.
It's too dangerous.
They have us. We comfort them.
I wasn't thinking what they were doing was heroic, I guess, necessarily. They just made a commitment, and they're just standing up for what they believe in.
They're put through the treadmill of doubt and fear, and always asking is are you there? You know, no matter if you're a believer in a religious faith or not. You know, why are we here? What is it about?
Help me, Padre. Where is the place for a weak man?
その声なき声を聞くために自分の心の深いところに潜っていくというか、そのためのなんかきっかけの作品になればいいなと思います。神は沈黙してるけど、その沈黙の中にこそその答えがあるというか。
結局描こうとしてることはその日本っていう舞台で日本の話にはなってますけど、やっぱりその人が持ってる何かこう葛藤というか、そういうものが全てだったと思うんで。
やっとこの日が来たのかっていう感じでですね、なんか夢の中にいるような紛れもない現実であるようなですね、不思議な感じでおりますね。
父はよく私にこう言ってました。世の中に絶対的な悪や絶対的な善はほとんどないのだと。悪の中にも善はあるし、良きことの中にも悪しきことがたくさんあると。
心が震えたというのは久しぶりのことでした。スコセッシ監督に感謝したいですね。
It is a passion project for Marty, and it did become a passion project for me by proxy. I have never seen a film like this.
I think he's the tip of the pyramid as far as directors alive today.
自分の持ってる力のすべてをぶつけることのできる相手であって現場だったと思うんで。
おいはキリシタンだ。
堅くなにやっぱこの映画を撮ろうとした意志っていうか、そこはやっぱすごく強いエネルギーを感じたんで、これはやっぱもう間違いなく見るに値する映画だと思うんですね。
I really just hope that we live up to Mr. Endo's work and the Japanese culture that produced a great author like Endo, a great thinker like Endo. I do hope you see the film.
I pray, but I'm lost. Am I just praying to silence?
沈黙、サイレンス。